Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create or generate sample reports in Tableau. To know more, you can check the course details of our website ETL testing tutorial. If you have any query regarding the free videos, then you can speak your mind under the QA section. So basically for generating some sample reports, we need the business queries which are asked. So what kind of queries I'm talking about? See, these are some queries on the basis of some sales data. It is asking that how could we find the number of sales for each category, the profit that is earned for each category, and how to differentiate the products of each category in the same graph. That means we need a single graph to resolve all these queries to generate the report. And it is also asking us to filter the products for each category, how to highlight each category without using filters. So let us see how we can do that. But before that, let me show you the data that I'm going to use to resolve these kind of queries. So here I will be using this sheet that is of Microsoft Excel. Here I will be using the order breakdown sheet for explaining you or for resolving the queries that are being arised. So for that, I just need to open Tableau. I will get connected with the Excel sheet. Before that, let me close this one. For documents or downloads. Yeah. So from here, I just want this one, order breakdown. So I'll drag and drop it over here. So done. All the columns are selected. We just need to move to the sheet. And here, as you can see, there are some columns that are present in dimension and there are some columns in measures. So here, as you can see, the sheet is containing category, subcategory and product. What if I want to resolve the first query? That is, find the number of sales for each category. Now, we cannot get the product's name within category. So how could we find out the number of sales that has been happened? So for that, we need to get a hierarchical form of these dimensions. What I'm talking about is, see, I want a hierarchy within or among these three columns: category, subcategory and product name. First of all, I want the category to be mentioned, then the subcategory and then the product name. And then I'll find out the number of sales that are being raised for those products. Okay, so how could we do that? So first of all, what we need to do is, I'll click on category and here, see, go to hierarchy and create a hierarchy. Or you can also go with like this. Select or drag this subcategory and put on category like this and see. Okay. And then select product name and put under subcategory. Yeah, that's correct. So here the hierarchical form has been generated. As you can see, the symbol for hierarchy is this one. First of all, category will come, then subcategory will come, and then product name will come whenever I'll select this hierarchical form. Okay. So let us see how we can do that. I'll select this hierarchy that I have created and I'll drop under columns. As you can see, if I expand, the category, subcategory and the products are coming. But it won't work until I select the sales. So first of all, we need to find the number of sales. So I'll select the sales measure and put under rows. See, it is providing me the number of sales for each category, for furniture, for office supplies, for technology. But what if I want to also find for all of the products? How can we do that? For that, you can just expand this category and see here I'm getting the data for all the subcategories, that is bookcases, chairs, furnitures. So this is how we can work with the reports. See, now I want to find the number of profit that has been gained, or the profit that has been gained on this sheet in the same graph. So could we use the same graph to find two things? One is the sales, other one is the profit. So for that, you can just select this profit and put under color. And this time, this color will differentiate that the more the profit is, the more the color is darker. That means the color is orange. The lighter the profit is, the more the darker blue color is over here. You can also change the color from here. Let me change it. So for that, you can just select this one and go to edit colors, and you can select any of the color according to your requirement. Like if I use this one, green, apply and OK. So this time what is happening, the more the darker color is there, the more the profit is gained. So as the color is getting lighter, that means more the losses happened. So this is how we can use the same graph for catching the profit as well as sales. Here the graph is showing us that how much sales has been happened for each category and subcategory, and here the color is showing us that how much profit has been gained for each graph. Okay. Now what if you want to highlight some of them? Like if I go through the query, it is saying that how to differentiate products of each category in the same graph, or how to filter the products. For we have already filtered the data, right? So now if we have found the sales, the profit, and we have also differentiate through the colors. Now it is saying that how to highlight each category, or it is saying that without using filters in the same graph, how we can highlight the categories and the subcategories. So how could we do that? So here, first of all, let me put this profit, or we can say this hierarchy. So I'll select this hierarchy and put under filters. But one more important thing, see, this hierarchy is already being used in columns. So can we use the same column or attribute again and again? So here, this is the feature of Tableau. We can use multiple times a single we can say attribute. So here I'll press Ctrl for selecting this one and put under filters. It is saying that do you want to select all of them? Yes. Apply and OK. Done. Now we have put the category under filters. We just need to go to show the filter. And here I'm getting a drop down list which is coming with the check boxes for each category. If you want to just see the graph for furniture, then you can remove the office supplies and technology. So I'm not creating any other graph for performing this. I'm just using the same graph. If you want to see the graph for office supplies and furniture, you can also perform that. If you want to see for all of them, then you can select this one, this checkbox. Now can we highlight them without removing each graph from this sheet? So how could we do that? For that, you just need to go to category under filters and go for show highlighter. And here, see, if you want to highlight only furniture, see, nothing is being removed. It is just highlighting the furniture's category from this graph. If you want to highlight any other category like technology, then you can also do that. So this is how we can generate sample reports in Tableau. So here, for resolving the queries that has been arised, we used the filters. Let me show you. So what all things we learned here? We learned how to apply a filter, how to apply highlighter, and how to create a hierarchy, which will be helpful for generating the hierarchical format, right? So hope you have understood, and thank you for joining.